Hi everybody, another day, another unboxing, a late night unboxing. I bought myself another microphone because I really don't like the audio in my videos. I gave away my Rode Smart Lab, what are they called, the Lavalier, I don't remember what they're called. That microphone was good, but the cable was way too short. And then we have the Sennheiser with the lighting cable that are a bit longer, but not long enough, so I never use it. And when I use it, I forgot to, every time you use it, depending on the environment, you're supposed to adjust the volume and sensitivity. And I always forgot to do that, so most of the time I'm not satisfied with the sound with that anyway. So I did some research, and just when I was in my thoughts to buy another microphone, Rode released a shotgun microphone, just like the old one but with a lighting contact. So that seemed good, but then again, this Shure, I don't know if it's pronounced like that, but Shure MV88 wins every test. The microphone is 2 years old, and that's the main reason why I wanted to buy the Rode instead of this one. Because I think newer is better. But the Rode microphone, the shotgun microphone, is around $100, $90, and this is almost a double that. So yeah, newer or more expensive. So I went with more expensive this time, and hoping that's better. But I'm feeling kind of good about this because, as I said, it has won or been chosen in a lot of tests with microphones. The only thing is that I always use my case on my phone, and this doesn't work with a case, not at all. So that's annoying. So I have to remove the case every time I use this microphone. But then I love my finger holder. So then I don't have this. But let's try it out. Yeah, it's simple. You have this travel case, this standard cable. I'm not sure for what, because there is no way to plug it in. And the microphone is you can use it like this for interviews, or pointing forward, and if you want to point it backward, you have to take it out and put it the other way. So that's it. So let's see how the sound quality is with that one. Now I'm filming just with my iPhone SX Max, sorry, 10s Max, forget that. My iPhone 10s Max with the built-in microphone. And I'm not sure if you even want me to, yeah, I can compare with the Sennheiser mic as well. I think this length is okay. But yeah, the unboxing was easy. A cable that I have no use for. Yeah, one thing more about the Rode shotgun microphone. You had a 3.5 connection in the rear where you can plug in your headphones and hear what the microphone hears. That was nice. This doesn't have that. And this is what it looks like without wind filter. Pretty cool. So So yeah, let's try it out. So now the MV88 is plugged in, and the phone said instantly that I don't have the right app for it. So I'm gonna try. This is without the app installed, just plugged it in, nothing else. I have no idea if the microphone even is registered. You may not even hear me. So this is without the app, and now I'm gonna try it with the app. The thing was, why I didn't install the app was because it wasn't available in the Swedish app store. But of course I'm gonna find it because this microphone is bought at Apple Store in Sweden, so I guess it's fully supported. Now the app is installed, and I change it from music recording to voice recording, and you can adjust the angle, the width of the caption, and I change it from 90 degrees to 60 degrees because it's just me straight in front of the camera. So I'm pretty sure that the bit that I just filmed without the app is useless because the phone didn't register the microphone. So if that part is not in the video, it's because there was no sound without the app installed. So yeah, this is the Shure MV88, and yeah, I'm gonna use the Sennheiser as well, just to compare. I do prefer this lavalier kind of microphone because it is better to record directly from your mouth. But the shotgun mic is easier because of the range, the length and range. That was a mixed up word. And you can do interviews with more than one people. This is only recording you. So let me just plug this in, and this time I'm gonna adjust the volume so it doesn't get too sensitive. So yeah. You see, I'm about let's say I think this cable is only 1.5 meters, and it's always in the way. When I use a microphone like this, I want it to tuck in, to hide it under my shirt, sweatshirt, and it's supposed to be completely out of the way. So yeah, this is the Sennheiser, I don't remember the name, but it's a Sennheiser microphone with lightning cable. It's probably the most expensive iPhone microphone. Yeah, I think so. When it comes to having a lighting contact. So this microphone, I usually have the sensitivity adjusted to 24 decibel. I change it now to 20, I think, because I think it's too sensitive most of the times. But in this app, the Shure app, I noticed that the sensitivity was turned to 30. So yeah, I'm really curious about how it will sound, but you will be the judge because I have a completely different speaker setup than what you have, and I never watch my own videos on the phone, and I have never watched my own videos on the TV, only on my computer with my different kind of speakers that I have. So my guess is that the Sennheiser microphone sounds better, but it's a lot easier for me to use the Shure MV88. But maybe the difference from the iPhone microphone and the shotgun microphone isn't so big. let me know. Either way, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment. Do you have any kind of recommendation for me, or what do you use? And I would like to know if there is an app, because now I have two same iPhones, and I would like to have that one in my pocket with this microphone, so I can record the audio and film with this one. And if there was an easy way to get those to work together. iMovie doesn't have that option, what I know, but if you have a tip for me, let me know, because that would be great to use this microphone for audio and this microphone to film with, and then just put it together. I hope you enjoy my not sneakers videos. Let me know what you think. Thanks, bye.